Today, I'm going to introduce you to my family. Let's go inside. This is my mom. She loves reading books and cooking. Every day she makes delicious meals.
Hello, are you David's friend? Have you eaten yet? If not, I'll prepare lunch for you.
Haha, I'm still in the middle of introducing everyone, Mom. Since your cooking is so good, my friend will definitely want to stay for lunch.
That's great. You keep introducing everyone, and I'll go prepare a bit more food.
That's my mom, always so caring and makes the best food. And this is my dad. He's an engineer and loves to tinker with technology. He knows how to fix everything from computers to phones. And he always has some fun tech stories.
Hi there. If anything breaks, don't hesitate to ask me. I'm the go-to guy for broken gadgets.
But Dad, last time you tried to fix the TV and it got even worse, remember?
That was just a minor accident. I fixed it perfectly afterward.
See, my dad is always this funny. And this is my little sister, Anna. She loves drawing and reading. I'm sure she'll become an artist one day.
Hi. I'm working on a new drawing. Do you want to take a look?
Haha, she's always focused on her art, but her drawings are really good. Here, have a look.
This is a drawing of our cat. What do you think? Does it look realistic?
A cat? It looks more like a bear to me.
You're just joking. My drawing is good, right?
Lunch is almost ready. Everyone come to the table.
Today, Mom made fried chicken. It's a family favorite.
See, Mom always prepares amazing meals. Let's go eat, we've finished the introductions. So, that's my family. What do you think? We're always full of laughter and happiness. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.